Hello. Today I just want to answer some questions that I've been asked as far as prepping your beds when you're new dig go. And the most popular question I'm always asked is, how much compost do you put onto your land? Well, it depends on whether you're just starting or whether you're like us and you're now in your second year. So today we're going to concentrate on beds that are already no dig and what you do as you go forward into year 2. We are in the middle of making a video about starting off no dig and the process that you need to do to get your beds over to no dig. So keep an eye on that, that'll be out in the near future. Now I've been up to the compost heaps to get some compost. This strip of land here, this had swede and some carrots. We've used this row of carrots here now, and I had swede in here. And you can see what it looks like after the harvest has been done. So now what we need to do is to feed the soil for the coming growing season. And remember, we try to get our garden as productive as possible, and that means we want to get at least 2 crops from any strip of land that we have, and possibly 3 if we can. What I'm looking for is a layer of about 1 to 2 inches. So you just spread your piles about until you've covered to the depth that you want to. Now you can use a rake. You can see here I'm using my compost fork. Really handy this compost fork is, and if you don't use one, I really strongly advise you to get one because they do make your life so much easier. You can see that the prongs are much thinner than a standard garden fork, and it just allows you to get into the compost, get it up, and then give it a bit of a shake to get the lumps out. But I can also use it to spread compost about. So I can assure you that this compost fork is a real good investment to your gardening tools. And I'll pop a link down in the description where I got it from, and if you so want to get yourself one, then you'll know exactly where to go. So you can see this is quite an easy, gentle process. Much better than digging, and it's much better for your soil than digging. And for a strip of land like this, well, you can see we're doing it in real time, so it took me about 5 minutes to go up to the compost heaps and to put the piles on here. You don't need to be wholly precise, unless you're of that nature and you like to ensure that you do get a precise 1 to 2 inch layer on. I can see via my eye that it's looking good. This piece of the bed, this 3-foot strip, 4-foot strip, is ready for us to plant up. Now it so happens that potatoes will follow these crops in here, and yeah, so this can just lay here until mid-March when I want to plant the potatoes. but we'll be all ready to go. And the good thing is that, you know, as I've said on the gardening jobs videos, whenever you've taken your final harvests and twisted the plants out of the ground, you can go away and you can get this prepared. It's quick and easy, doesn't all have to be done at once. Some pieces of the land you can say I've already done because the land became available October, November and through December. But it just so happened that we only just finished harvesting this bit during the week. I hope you found that useful, and that's explained a few things for you. If you do have any other questions, and there's something that maybe I've missed while I was filming, do please drop me a comment in the comments box below and I'll get back to you with the answer. If you like this video, please give us a like, and if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing. We're done here for today, so we will see you